Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I'm a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is an identical twin. Well, some earlier videos you saw his brother Romello. Nickolas was born at 3 pounds 14 ounces. He was 33 weeks premature, but he also had problems with his heart. So he had his status post ventricular septal defect repair, and he also had pulmonary insufficiency and stenosis. So Nickolas has difficulties with learning disabilities and attention deficit disorder. One of the things we're going to work on is balance. So let me see you try to stand on one foot. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. You want to try the other one? 1,001. You cheating. Ready? 1,001. So balance is tricky. So one of the easy ways I work on this is I'll just have kids put, whoa, I see, 1 foot up on my foot in the front. So hands off the wall, that is such a cheat. Hands off the wall, you ready? 1,001, 1,002. Oh, I need it. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. Give it to me, we're gonna make it to 10. You better quit cheating on that wall. Right here. I need the other one. 1,001, oh gosh, ready? 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Come a little closer to the wall. We'll do the other one. Don't cheat on that wall. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. You almost made it. You can do it. Don't you cheat on that wall. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back over here. So I don't know if you caught what I did right at the end of that. I held onto his foot. At first, I was having him place his foot on top of my foot, but when he was having a really hard time, I held his foot to give it a little bit more support. If I wanted to make this harder, I would have him put his hands on his hips, but this was hard enough with his hands free. So it's an easy way, doesn't take any equipment to work on balance skills. Hope this is something that will help you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.